Welcome to WritersER, where we transform the daunting task of academic writing into a thrilling journey of discovery and success. Whether you're wrestling with your literature review, grappling with your research proposal, or navigating the complexities of research methodology, you've found your haven. Today, we delve deep into the heart of academic achievement, revealing how small research breakthroughs can lead to significant impacts in the scholarly world. Picture this: the moment you realize that a seemingly minor discovery or insight from your dissertation could potentially revolutionize your field. It's not just about the big eureka moments, it's about recognizing the value in the nuances, the subtle shifts in understanding that pave the way for major advancements. This realization is not just exciting, it's empowering. And today we're here to guide you on how to channel these breakthroughs into tangible, impactful academic success. Have you ever experienced a moment where a small discovery led to a significant breakthrough in your research? Share your experience in the comments below. First and foremost, let's talk about the art of identifying your breakthrough. It starts with a deep, intimate knowledge of your research domain. Stay abreast of the latest studies, engage with emerging theories, and actively participate in academic forums and discussions. It's within these activities that you often stumble upon the golden nuggets of insight that set your work apart. But how do you transform these insights into impactful contributions? It begins with effective communication. Crafting your findings into clear, concise, and compelling narratives is key. Remember, the strength of your research isn't just in its originality, but in its ability to communicate complex ideas in accessible language. This not only enhances the readability of your work, but also its citability. Networking plays a pivotal role in amplifying your research's impact. Present your findings at conferences, workshops, and seminars. These platforms offer invaluable opportunities to showcase your work, receive feedback, and connect with fellow researchers who share your interests. Collaborations born from these interactions often lead to cross-disciplinary breakthroughs and greater visibility. Let's not overlook the power of digital platforms. Establishing a strong online presence through academic social networks like ResearchGate or academia.edu can significantly boost your research's visibility. Share your publications, contribute to discussions, and engage with the work of others. By becoming an active member of the online academic community, you increase the chances of your work being cited and recognized. Do you actively engage with academic communities online? Share your favorite platforms and experiences in the comments. Publishing strategically is another crucial aspect. Target journals and publications with a strong reputation and readership in your field. Understand the scope and focus of these outlets to ensure your research aligns with their interests. A well-placed publication can exponentially increase your research's reach and impact. But remember, impact isn't always measured in citations alone. The true value of your research lies in its contribution to the advancement of knowledge and its ability to inspire future studies. Stay committed to your quest for discovery and remain open to the unexpected paths your research may take. As we wrap up today's exploration, reflect on your own research journey. Have you encountered a small breakthrough that had a significant impact? How did you navigate this discovery, and what steps did you take to ensure its visibility and impact? Share your experiences in the comments below. Let's cultivate a community of learning, sharing, and mutual support. In the quest for academic excellence, it's the small insights that often lead to significant breakthroughs. Embrace every discovery, no matter how small, and remember the path to impact is paved with persistence, communication, and collaboration. Keep pushing boundaries, keep asking questions, and above all, keep believing in the transformative power of your research. If you found today's insights valuable, please like, share, and subscribe to WritersER. Your support helps us continue to provide guidance and encouragement to academic writers at all stages of their journey.